guys, we do have on janamber.com 40% off for Black Friday. Oh my god, this is the craziest thing I have ever done for my followers, for my clients. 40% off on single items like single derma rollers, creams, serums. Oh my god, everything is falling today from my hand. Everything on single item and also packs. So if you want to buy let's say 3 serums, I don't have 3 with me, 3 serums is gonna be also 40% off. This is only on Black Friday. For Cyber Monday, I am having 35% off for the kits, the like derma roller, aqua stamp, beginner kit, and also subscription box. All the information, guys, gonna be down below under this video. Also make sure timeline is okay. This sale is not gonna be other days, only on Black Friday, which is mean Friday, and only Cyber Monday on Monday. Don't miss this opportunity. Codes only going to be valid for that day and no other day. Please check out down below in the description box. I love you guys so much. Happy holidays, happy Thanksgiving, and happy shopping to everybody. Yay! Bye guys.